Things that go. My first book of things that go. Oh. Where is the truck? Do you see the truck? That's a big truck. That's a truck that carries cars. A car carrier.
Yeah.
And that's a truck.
Yeah.
A regular truck.
This is truck.
And that's a truck. All kinds of different tractors and trucks.
And this is truck.
That's a tractor unit.
Yeah.
And where is the big tractor? Yeah, that's a giant tractor. Giant tractor. And where is the cement mixer? You see the cement mixer? No, that's a harvester. That works on the farms to harvest. That's a cement mixer, yep. This spins and it makes cement inside. Okay. Ooh, these are all kinds of different diggers and dumpers. Where is
Wow, this one.
Wow, that's a crane. That's a crane on a truck. A mobile crane because it moves.
This.
Yeah. And what do these do? What do these do? It's
This.
mining excavator.
Yeah.
It excavates, so it digs into the ground to find minerals.
Yeah.
And what do these do? That's called a dumper. It dumps the ground and the soil and the dirt. Okay. In the city, these ones we see more often. These ones we're more familiar with, I think. Where is the train? Do you see where the train is? Oh, there's the train. Yeah. And can you find a delivery van? A van that delivers boxes filled with things? What? There it is. That's a delivery van. And can you find a tram? A tram? Yeah, that's a tram. And where is the taxi cab? Can you find a taxi cab? Yeah. And a bicycle. Where is bicycle? Good job. That's the bicycle. Okay. And next, our search and rescue transportation. Where is the rescue helicopter? Can you find the rescue helicopter? There it is. And the ambulance? Where's the ambulance? And what sound does the ambulance make? What sound does the siren? Okay. And can you see a police horse? What sound does the police horse make? That's the sound that the siren makes, but the horse? What sound does the horse make? The same sound that the regular horse makes. Yeah, and the fire truck. Where's the fire truck? Woohoo! That's a big one. And what sound does it make? Yeah. Okay. What are these? They're all on the
Water.
They're all on the water. Sea and shore.
Whoa.
What do you see?
I like this one.
Oh, you like that one? What kind of boat is that? It's a speedboat, so it goes super fast.
Yeah.
It goes super fast. What about, do you see a pirate ship? That's a tall ship. Usually, it looks like a pirate ship. What about a cruise ship? A really big ship with lots of levels. A cruise ship. Yeah, that's a ship too. But it's a cargo ship because it carries lots of containers of things. And this is a cruise ship. A cruise ship. Like a big hotel, but on the water, on the sea and the ocean. Okay. And a sailboat. Do you see a sailboat?
No.
That's a sailboat.
Yeah.
Because it has a sail and it needs wind. It needs wind to move.
Okay.
What's this? What are these?
Oh, no.
No, don't pull it. Don't pull it, don't pull it. I'll cut it after, okay?
Okay.
And what's this? What is this?
And plane.
A plane. And this one?
And a fusée.
A rocket ship. It goes into space. And the motorcycle.
Wow.
What's that? That's a limousine. It's a super long car.
Wow.
And that one? That's a sports car. It goes super fast. Okay.